Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download music and Lark Player. So first grab your Android phone and open the Play Store. Now in the search bar type in Lark Player. Once you find it, go ahead and tap install. But if you already have it installed, malito. But if you already have it installed, just tap open. Now once you're inside the app, look at the top menu and tap on songs. Here's something really important to know. Lark Player doesn't actually download songs from the internet. Instead, it scans your phone for music files that are already downloaded. So if you open it and it looks empty, don't worry. It just means that you don't have any songs on your phone yet. So, how do you get songs into a Lark Player? It's actually really simple. All you need to do is download music files directly to your device from safe and verified copyright free website or from sources where you can legally own the music. Once the files are downloaded, Lark Player will automatically find them and add them to your music list. You don't have to import anything manually. Just download the songs to your downloads folder or music folder, and Lark Player will take care of the rest. Oh, and one more thing. Lark Player also works great as a video player. You can use it to play offline videos too. So if you're looking for a clean, fast music player that works offline, Lark Player is a solid choice. And that's it. If this video helped you out, feel free to drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.